The village showcases traditional white houses adorned with colorful shutters, embodying a rich tapestry of Hungarian and Romanian cultures woven throughout its history. Rhymedia is renowned for its mineral springs and breathtaking mountain vistas, making it an ideal haven for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. The ongoing restoration efforts reflect a strong commitment to preserving Rymedia's heritage, as modern comforts blend seamlessly with traditional designs, fostering a vibrant sense of community. The Orthodox Church in Rhymedia exemplifies a unique fusion of Transylvanian and Hungarian architectural styles, underscoring the area's rich architectural diversity. Its serene atmosphere invites visitors to appreciate both its beauty and historical significance. Local shops in Rhymedia offer a variety of traditional crafts, including wool products and handmade items, reflecting the village's rich cultural heritage. Supporting these artisans is essential for preserving these invaluable skills and traditions. The village's picturesque streets and stunning natural surroundings beckon exploration, revealing hidden gems such as quaint cottages and awe-inspiring mountain views. Each path unveils more of Rymedia's unique charm. The charming courtyard features a captivating watermill, showcasing rustic arrangements and traditional artifacts that enhance Rymedia's picturesque scenery. A collection of artifacts, including wooden tools and corncobs, underscores the craftsmanship of local artisans, evoking nostalgia for simpler times in the village's rich past. Inside the watermill, relics of traditional village life unfold unique stories, showcasing items like vintage tools and furniture that reflect the craftsmanship embedded within the community. Accommodations in Rhymedia are both charming and affordable, with prices ranging from €30 to €60 per night, offering guests cozy stays complemented by breathtaking views. The local cuisine is a delightful fusion of Romanian and Hungarian flavors, featuring hearty dishes like goulash alongside fresh, wood-fired bread, promising a unique culinary adventure. Rymedia's rich history dates back to 1257, showcasing distinct architectural styles influenced by Saxon and secular cultures that contribute to its fairy tale allure. The majestic Piatra Sighișoarei offers panoramic views and activities such as paragliding, making it a prime destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Rymedia's tranquil streets and beautifully restored homes provide a compelling glimpse into its rich heritage dating back to 1257, further enhancing the village's appeal. The communal efforts of locals in tending their gardens and homes cultivate a strong sense of belonging, creating a picturesque environment that beautifully represents rural life.